Use a browser to open the Welding Manager server URL, cloud-hosted or on-premises. Welding Manager server can have multiple projects. Select the project you desire to access and key in your username and password, then click Sign In. The first page that opens after signing in is the dashboard page. The dashboard includes many KPIs and statistics that give you insights about your welding data. These KPIs are organized by topic and can be navigated by clicking on the topic header as shown. The top menu bar can help you navigate the various systems pages. You also can access the same pages from the workflow chart by clicking on the corresponding icon.